Alright guys, today on our 04, what is this, an Oldsmobile Alero, we are going to be changing our coolant tank here. This one has a little leak in it, so we're going to get that all swapped out. Now of course, the car's hot. We want to do this when it's cold, but it's hot. It is what it is. So we're going to get started. We're going to get this cap removed. We're going to remove the hoses, pop it out. We have one 10mm bolt right here, and then the whole assembly should just pop right on out, and we can put our new one in. So let's get started. Let's see here. I know we're going to leak, so I got my drain pan underneath. Catch as much of this crap as we can. Pull our cap off. That cap's toast anyway, so put our hose clamps down. We've already loosened part of it. Ha ha ha. These bottles, I'll show you on the new one here. They have a metal insert. One came out of the old bottle that we're taking off. So just be mindful of that. Make this happen on both sides. This overflow tube is going to stay. Let's remove that 10mm bolt at the bottom. And I haven't removed this guy yet, because I know as soon as I do, everything will spill out. So, I kind of have a plan. Not really, but kind of. Let's pull this guy up. New one comes with a new sensor. It sits in here like this. When I rotated it up, see the wiring for the low coolant light sensor? We're going to unplug that on the old one, plug it in on this new one. Then we're going to stick the new one in place. You'll see here. Of course, the whole sensor came out. Now, new one. Make sure. That plugged in. It's just going to sit on down here. The latch on this side connected to the body. It's in there. Let's put our bolt back in. rehook up our lines here. Just push on. Those clamps back in place. Perfect. Now we just have one more. We got the big hose down here that we need to do. Remember, we tilted this guy up. Let's see here. Coolant on that. Just tilt it to the side. Stick it on. That way we're going to minimize our loss of coolant. Now I couldn't get this spring clip over like the lip that's on that coolant bottle. So I just put it on here first. Get my pliers. Track it down. And now, hopefully we should be able to slide it over. I never told you guys how much I hate these spring clips, like with a passion. There we go. And it is on. Now if you're lucky like we were, your new bottle is going to come with a new cap. So make sure you refill the system with any coolant that you lost. Bleed the air out of it, and you're ready to go. That was a pretty simple job. Just a couple hose clamps and one 10mm bolt. And we're done. So if you guys like what you saw here, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.